So, welcome to the Rocklea Hotel on a Friday night. Last time I was in here, it was so loud I couldn't think, but that was during the week, and to be honest, it's just a local bar. So, yeah, anyways, enjoy. Well, that's a good vibe, isn't it? Place is empty. This is so different. The Friday vibes are not great. However, I will still have a pint and then head out. Cheers. I've never done this before. That's right. I'm heading back home and I might get there before midnight. Hello and happy Saturday. Simple objective for me today, and that is find either a bike or just go nerd shopping. The reason I'm looking for a bike is, although I'm okay with walking, it's just too slow to get from A to B now. So why not just get a cheap car? Basically, I think a bike's the best of both worlds. Is the perfect example as well for wanting to get away from public transport. Rocklea station shut, replacement bus service is not ready. The self-determinate control of having a mode of transport is useful beyond your own legs. Here's another good example. The entire railway line today has been shut. Because the rail line has been shut, I've had to adjust my plans for today. Are you a mantis, buddy? You a little mantis? What? We're in the city. I've just got off at the Roma Street, off the bus, the replacement bus service, and I'm going to go to the geek shop. Shout out to my Wednesdays video. I'll put a little thing in the top corner. Food hall lunch be this, I'm not sure what it's called, but beef with udon noodles. I've been hunting for this for the last 25 minutes. Fuck. What's happening with my foot? I'm gonna have to pass on buying anything here. Still not at the shop I want to be at, however. This shopping centre is miles better, for me personally anyways, than the city centre. And here we are. I mean, how cool is that one? Look at that! Minnie Mouse seat. But realistically, something like this, absolutely fine for what I need. $150, $129, $199.99, yeah. I know the quality is not as good as I could potentially find on Marketplace, but fucking, I don't have to deal with people on Marketplace. Or I could just board again. $13 for a skateboard. So I need one that's either 60 or 70 centimeters basically, because the other ones are tiny. This is a bit of a war zone, but I've just had a chat with the guy at the counter. He says if it's pre-assembled you can just take it, but if you want to get it from a box and then get it assembled, it could be however long it's going to take for the staff on site to do it. So I think I'm just going to take that one, get on with it. Well, I would have if there was, this wasn't just falling straight out. So disappointing as well. I think I'm just going to have to lug a box back home. That's the one, right? Even pulled it out. I've just had a thought. What if the tyres are not blown up? Bike, assembly fee, assemble bike. Do I buy it and then come back? Next time I'm out shopping, I'll just head here during the day, of course, not when every shop is shut, because it looks like it's got everything I want and possibly need. EB Games, the spot I wanted to go this morning. This cinema, of course, and the food court. I get that the city centre is open for longer, but if I'm timely enough, I can head here and just do everything I want and need on a weekend in one spot. and it's closer to my apartment. Do you know what I class as extortion? Those prices? Fucking $3 for diesel. Get fucked.